day, everyone, especially to our instructor, Dr. Rolando Intoma. I am Ima Bernadette F. Rio, and I'm going to talk about the project management reporting types and tips. So we all know that all project needs to be reported to the clients, right? So now, what is project management and what is project management reporting? If you say project management, it is the practice of leading the work of a team to achieve goals and meet success criteria at a specified time. But project reports may not be the most glamorous part of your job, but they do have the power to ensure projects finish according to plan. What is project management reporting? It is to know the progress of project. So, project reporting involves more than simply communicating the latest project updates to your team and stakeholders. You can also use project reports to mitigate risk, monitor budgets and timelines, and build more accurate project plans. Project management reporting has 5 types of reports. So we have first the team availability report. If you say team availability report, if you want to build an accurate project plan, you need to know what are the possible resources or the available resources to get the job done. A team availability report shows you how much work team member has on their plate, so you can make smart resourcing decisions to your project. Second, we have the status report. Status reports is where you can see the work that's complete, works that's coming up, overall project completion, and budget spend, action items, project risks or issues. So I have here the sample on the side, the summary of the status report. So a weekly status report is an easy way to keep your team and stakeholders informed and manage expectations as a project progresses. We recommend viewing the quick hits in their status report. Third, we have the risk assessment. If you say risk assessment, it enables you to identify and categorize project risks based on their severity and likelihood of happening. So a risk assessment is that way you can prioritize issues and nip risk in the bud before it wrecks your project success. Next is the time tracking report. This report gives you visibility into how much time your team is actually spending on project tasks, so you can see how it tracks with your project estimates. So this will help you spot potential budget overages before they happen and provides valuable insight for further project estimates. Last is we have the baseline report. Baseline report compares your original timeline with your actual project timeline, so you can learn from the past as you scope out for your future projects. So it's also handy for showing how changes or delays affect the overall project timeline. So you can see that there are 2 colors, the blue one and the gray one. Those shaded with gray are the planned timeline, but those colored in blue are the actual timeline. So you can see that it really changes. So those are the 5 management report types. So let's go to project management reporting tips. So you want to make the most of your project reports? Now let's give it a shot. First, set a cadence. Set a cadence is a reporting schedule establishes regular touch points so everyone knows when to expect and perhaps even provide important project updates. So just be sure you make the lines of communication open between scheduled reports. Second, we have the mind your data. If you say mind your data, a report is only as good as the information in it. So before you present it to the clients, be sure that you check the project details, that it is current and correct before you share it to everyone. Next, write to your audience. Clients and executive stakeholders don't need to be bogged down by nitty-gritty project details. They just want you to direct to the point, just keep it short, direct to the point with bullet points, and avoid technical jargon because there's a possibility that they might not understand your project. So be sure that it's simple and understandable for everyone. Next is we have the you need to add visuals. Use charts and graphs when possible to make your report as easy to digest. So if you just put pictures, they will easily understand and they will already think what would be the possible reports that they're going to deliver. There's a saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? So next, be honest if the project's behind schedule or over budget. Don't shy away from mentioning it in your report. So, the sooner an issue comes to light, the sooner it can be resolved and the more likely you are to win your client's trust. Lastly, we have invite discussion. So, you need to invite discussion. So, our project report should be a springboard for conversation, not a static document that's set in stone. So, you need to create space for feedback and discussion so everyone's on board with the project's next step. That's all, everyone, for the project management report types and tips. So let me give you a quote from Greg Micarusal. Being a project manager is like being an artist. You have the different colored process, themes combining into a work of art. So thank you for listening and good day.